time for you to start a YouTube channel is just now. Don't wait until you have time. Don't wait until you can edit fancy videos. Don't wait for a new camera or don't wait for perfections. Don't wait until you feel confident. The right time for you to start a YouTube channel is just now, because it's never too late for you to start a YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Carine Tech Media. If you're new to this channel and you would like to know how to improve your video quality, make money online and grow your YouTube channel, please start by now by hitting the bell button, subscribing, so that you can't miss any of my videos that I make every day. And remember to enable the notification button so that you can be among those like people who can view my videos immediately after I upload it to YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to show you how to create a brand new YouTube channel and also help you to do all the YouTube studio setups. So let's dive into the video. We are going to assume as if we are just starting, you don't have an email account. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the right corner, click on sign in, and then you're going to create an account because we don't have a Gmail account. Create account. Probably it's for yourself. And then you're going to fill your name, your first name and the last name. Going to fill your first name and the last name. Then after, they need the email address. So you're going to create a new email address. So you are going to create your password. So after creating the password, you're going to hit next. You're going to hit next because you have filled all the information there. So you're going to fill the telephone number, the date of birth, the gender, and then after you're going to click next. Then they are going to give you the privacy and terms. You read through and then you agree. Finally, you have created a Gmail account. As you can see, there is a profile picture there in the right corner. You're going to go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to go to create a channel. Then you're going to put the name of your channel. You might want to name it any other name, like then after you hit on create channel. So you can see that our YouTube channel has been created. You can upload a video, you can post something. So what we are going to do next, we are going to do our YouTube studio settings. So most people don't really mind about the YouTube setups, but they are very important because they help your YouTube channel to be recognized by YouTube, or the YouTube to increase your rankings. Because if you haven't put those YouTube setups, your channel will not be searchable. It will be difficult for people to search your YouTube channel because you haven't filled those YouTube studio setups. So let's dive into doing those YouTube setups. So what you're going to do, you're going to go and click on customize channel. There up. You can see that we're in the YouTube studio. What we are going to do, you're going to go and click on that setting icon down there. This one, click on it. On this settings icon, they are going to give you some options. You're going to go ahead and click on channel on the second option. So in the channel part, we are seeing the other options: basic info, advanced settings, feature eligibility. But in the basic info, they are asking us to put our country residence and the keywords down there. These keywords are for your channel, where you put the keywords that will describe your channel, probably to tell YouTube the keywords that a person will type into YouTube to get your channel. So don't forget, in those keywords that all you put there, don't forget to include the channel name. You can put many keywords, but don't forget to include your channel name there because it's important. So let us go in the second option of advanced settings. In the advanced settings, there is nothing to change there. Let's go to feature eligibility. The standard features, the intermediate features, and advanced features, they are enabled. So far what we have changed. Let us click save. Then we go back to the settings. We go to upload defaults. In the upload defaults, we are seeing basic info, where there is the title, description, the visibility. Here on title, we are going to put you put the titles that they are going to be default in every video that you are going to upload. Visibility, you might choose to make it your videos public, private, or unlisted. The tags, these tags, they are default tags which are going to be going on every video, but because the contents are not going to be the same, so you might not put them there. But some default tags like your channel name, because these tags help a lot. But in all those default tags, you might forget your channel name, but put that name there for it to be their default. So you go also to advanced settings. This advanced settings is where you choose the language and the caption certifications. You choose the video language. Here is comments. Comments might put on allow comments, allow all comments, or disable or hold comments for review, all that. But you might put allow comments because everybody wanna comment on your video. So even you can select the description language here down. After, you're going to hit on save. So the part 2 of our setting customization, where we find the YouTube profile picture, the YouTube banner, the video watermark. So if you want to upload the profile picture on your YouTube channel, you hit there, upload, you upload even the banner, but you might find that this banner or profile picture, they cannot fit there because you have not obeyed the pixels. So you might obey the pixels needed to upload the video. Probably you will find it in my videos that I made. So even you can check on basic info. Here on basic info is where you can change the channel name, the channel description. In your channel description, there it's where you tell viewers about your channel, and this description will appear in the about section of your channel. So this description should be telling viewers what you will show them or what you will give them and which services will you provide to them. And probably down here you might add links to your channel, maybe your Facebook or Instagram, TikTok links. Here down is your channel link. If you wanna share your channel link, you might copy it and paste to other social medias that you wanna share it to. So that was it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this video was really very helpful, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and enable the notification button so that you can be always notified when I upload any video on YouTube. So let's meet in the next video. Hope to meet you next time.